So, OpenAI just dropped something insane, and no one saw it coming. Not Google, not Meta, not even Elon. They just quietly launched a brand new AI model that runs completely offline. And get this, it's totally free. No catch, no API key, no monthly bill. It's called GPT OSS, and if you're not paying attention, you're about to fall way behind. Because this isn't just another model. This could be the beginning of the end for online-only AI. I'll explain why and how to install it in a second. But let's rewind. For years, OpenAI has kept things locked up. ChatGPT, online only. GPT-4, paywalled, API access. You're paying per token like it's 1999. Meanwhile, other players like Meta and Mistral were dropping open source bombs like Llama 2 and Mixtral, giving devs full control, offline access, and total privacy. And OpenAI? Silent. Until now. Boom. Out of nowhere, they hit us with GPT OSS. This is the first time OpenAI is giving the public a downloadable, runnable, local LLM, and it changes everything. If you know how to use this, you can literally create your own ChatGPT-style assistant that works even when your Wi-Fi is down. No tracking, no surveillance. Just pure raw AI power on your laptop. So what is GPT OSS? Think of it as a lightweight version of GPT, optimized for local performance. Not quite GPT-4 level, but way beyond most open models you've seen. And here's the kicker, you can run it on your laptop, seriously. Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux, tools like Llama, LM Studio, or OpenWebUI make it plug and play. You literally just type one line in your terminal, or download a desktop app, and boom, you've got ChatGPT-like conversations offline. It's that easy. This is a massive win for developers, creators, and privacy-focused users. Let's talk real-world use cases. Imagine you're a content creator. You want to generate scripts, headlines, ideas, but you don't want to send all that sensitive stuff to some cloud server. Boom, GPT OSS is your guy. Local AI, create total privacy. Maybe you're a developer building a smart assistant into your app. Previously, you'd need to call OpenAI's API, manage tokens, pay fees. Now, you just plug in GPT OSS and your app runs everything on device. No limits, no charges, no lag. Maybe you're building an AI that analyzes confidential company documents. Can't risk a data leak? GPT OSS has your back. All processing stays local. Nothing leaves the building. And this isn't just good for individuals. Entire businesses, schools, and even governments can now deploy AI without fear of external snooping. This is what people have been begging OpenAI to do for years, and finally, it's here. But let's talk about how to actually get it running. First, you'll want to download a tool like Llama. Just Google it. It's a dead simple AI launcher that runs models locally. Install it. Then, in terminal, type Llama run GPT OSS. That's it. You're now running OpenAI's latest GPT model on your machine, offline. No cloud, no API key, no OpenAI account, no BS. And if you don't like Terminal, use LM Studio. It gives you a sleek user interface. Just drag and drop the model and chat away. You can even host it locally with a web interface and make it look exactly like ChatGPT. It's honestly wild how simple this is. But what about performance? This isn't GPT-4 Turbo. You're not going to write a novel in one prompt or code an entire app from scratch. But for most use cases, it's more than enough. It can summarize text, write content, help you code, translate, tutor you, brainstorm, and it's getting better every day. The model size is optimized so it doesn't eat up 64 GB of RAM. You can run it on a MacBook. Heck, you might even get it running on a Raspberry Pi. And the best part? Latency is gone. Since it runs locally, the response time is instant. There's no internet lag. It's just you and the AI, one-on-one. Let me be clear. This isn't just a cool tech demo. This is a full-blown platform shift. We're moving from AI as a service to AI as a personal assistant that lives on your device, and OpenAI knows what they're doing. This is how they take back control from Meta, Mistral, and the open source wave. By giving people just enough power, just enough freedom to keep them loyal, but still inside the OpenAI ecosystem. It's brilliant and kind of terrifying. But here's where it gets really interesting. Once you have GPT OSS installed, you can start fine-tuning it. That means you can feed it your own documents, your own tone of voice, your own workflow. Train it on your email style, your brand, your product, and boom, You've got a personal AI that knows you better than your coworkers do. It becomes your assistant, your co-pilot, your thought partner, all offline, all private. This is the future of productivity, of creation, of work, but only if you know how to use it. That's why the people who learn this now, the ones who install GPT OSS early, experiment, build, they're going to have an unfair advantage. They'll be the ones building AI products without paying OpenAI a dime. They'll be the ones selling tools, creating content, automating tasks, all using offline models. Because here's the reality, AI is no longer a cloud thing, it's a personal tool. And GPT OSS is the first domino in a wave of offline, open, powerful AI assistants. This is just the beginning. In fact, I predict that within 12 months we'll see GPT OSS clones everywhere, pre-installed in laptops, embedded in smart devices, baked into your OS. We're not just talking about running AI on your phone. We're talking about AI that knows you, lives with you, and never leaves your side, like an offline Jarvis. And the people who get in early, the ones who start building now, they're going to be the leaders of this next wave. So if you're watching this, you're already ahead. You already know what GPT OSS is. You know how to install it. You know how to use it. Now, take it further. Try fine-tuning. Try automating. Try building something new. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial or a walkthrough of tools like Allama, LM Studio, or even chaining GPT OSS with other AI models, drop a comment. I'll make a full deep dive just for you, but for now, smash that like button if you're excited about the future of offline AI. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve, because I've got more underground tools, hidden models, and mind-blowing experiments coming your way. And hey, if you want a free PDF with my top 10 offline AI tools to run with GPT OSS today, check the link in the description, because AI is going local. And the future? It's happening right on your desktop. Let's build it together.